welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank all the new subscribers for coming up. I think we had like 4 or 5 new subscribers today. And what is today? Friday the 26th. So I want to thank you for subscribing. Wanted to give an update on what's going to be going on over this summer and everything that's we're hoping to get done as soon as possible. And the first thing I want to show you is right above me. This thing was added in the 1980s, I think, or 1990s, I'm not sure. I don't think this was the original bathroom, but we're going to cut it back to being in line here. This is the original concrete post, this one right here, and we're going to replicate it again. We're basically going to take this whole thing that they added out, and I already cut my hole, so this will be a project that will be coming up. Let's see if I can get a good camera shot in here. Let's see, it's dark in there. Flashlight going. So we got a pipe back there that needs to be dealt with. Let's see. I'm just drop it in. There's a pipe over here. Plumbing. That's going to get taken down. Or not taken out, because that's a bathroom right above us. And I'm going to do a faux concrete beam just like that one. Let me turn the light off. So that's one of the projects we'll be dealing with coming up real quick. So put this back. Oh, tip: if you're gonna do a hole, an inspection hole, the not so pro tip of the day. If you're gonna do this, put a screw in it, and when you cut it out, put it in upside down. That way it holds a tighter fit and it won't. Whoop. Okay, if you push on it, it'll go in. Originally it would be like that, and you see that it can easily fall. All you do is just flip it over and it makes it a little bit tighter. So that's the no pro tip of the day, because I am not a pro. Something else we'll be doing is taking out this wall right here, because I did a hole in there, but I dropped the piece, and this just goes the back behind the stairwell. I'm going to put a wall right here, but back here we have a coal furnace in the basement. My flashlight turned back on, and look what I found. Brick. So we want to expose that. We love brick. So, and that would have originally been seen. This, like I said, all these walls are added in 1980s and 1990s. So this wall will be coming out so that we can see it. Our air conditioning decided to quit. So we had to call. We're calling a local AC company that one of my neighbors got sheetrock dust all over you. Is that better? Is that better? Maybe not. So we had to go get some Vornados. So far they're working really good on dropping the temperature down here. It's 100 degrees outside. A nice whopping 100 degrees, and it's 78 in here, which is better than it was a couple, because I just went to Lowe's and got 2 of them. Plus I had my shop fan right there. So, and also there's a status of the pinking that's going on. I like the look. Just gotta finish taking that off. And this bathtub. We're going to be doing that too. That'll be another video project that we'll be doing. It's nice and old and just the way we like things, and we'll have to go back this way. Walking. And that, it's going to be a mess in here, so don't mind the mess. Because there's my deep pinking tools. Citrus strip. Very, I'm really enjoying this stuff. This is where I took out the bathtub. I gave the bathtub away. Somebody had dug a hole, and you would not believe the amount of dirt and concrete that was underneath the bathtub, which I don't know why they did that. But we're going to take out all this. All this will be coming out. And the clawfoot tub will be going right here after we take this. My wife hates those things, but for right now they work. We're going to put a nice curtain there, and I'm trying to find a 1920s toilet and a 1920s sink base that we can put here, so we can turn this entire bathroom 1920s, which the year the house was built. Then we come back out. And antiques everywhere. We love our antiques. And then hopefully, I don't know if we'll be able to get it to this summer, but we're going to take and turn this, because this was added, I think 1983, 84, somewhere around there. We didn't own the place, so we're going to take out this entire bar, take out that thing, and then what we're going to do is come way down here into the living room. We're going to take a wall from here. Of course that ceiling fan won't be there. We're going to have a wall right here. The wall will be going from this column to the wall, of course on this side of the window. Then a wall will be going from this column to this column. And this column to that column. This AC duct will have to get moved and pointed out this way, because there's only one other AC duct going out there. And then we're going to put a wall from this column to this column. And what this will be, we're going to turn this into a butler's pantry, and we're going to have a door here so that we can come into the den, because we're also going to put a wall between this wall, or this column, and this wall, and it'll have double French doors. Big. We're hoping to get really big double French doors, or not French door, just double doors. Be really big. That way, this will be the formal living room, which we do have cats, and we want this to become a formal living room. Of course, that's where my parents will be. That room is dedicated just for them. I'll show you a video of that after I've finished it, which is another project. I gotta trim out that. There's another antique door with leaded glass, and we're gonna fix that up and stain that. So we found these mirrors. That'll be another project. Anyways, I'm going all over the place. So when you first come in the house, this will be the formal living room, where you'll basically walk in and you'll see walls. There won't be cats there, because there's going to be a door, a glass door that's there, and there'll be a wall. I'll extend this part, because this is where our downstairs AC is at, which is broken right now. I'll extend it out to here, and then go all the way down to that column. Plus there'll be a wall from this column. So when you come in, you'll be seeing wall with a huge double French door, and a wall here, glass door there. My parents' room is there, which will be dedicated for them and them only. We'll have a guest room upstairs for if guests come by. Wait, right? Yeah. We'll have one guest room for people that come by, but it's always been my dream to have a dedicated space for my parents. So that's about 900 square feet of room that they can have all to themselves. So that's the plan with that room. So when you come into the dining, anyways, when you come in, like I said, there will be a door here and a wall. So this will be the formal living room, our very old piano. And the earliest date I can find on this one is 1952, the first time it was tuned, but I'm not sure if it's the first time it's tuned. Our old door that I turned into a bookshelf with antique books, very old chairs. Let's see, lots of Zane Grey, just different antique books. We love our antiques. Anyways, so I'm just trying to give you an idea of what's going to be happening this summer. I don't know if I'm going to get all that done this summer because, like I said, our AC just went out and we're hoping it's just something small because, you know, budgets are going to blow the budget right out the window with that one. But anyways, I can't wait till it's done though, because this will come in and this will just be a nice full living room with 1920s furniture. And so there we go. There will be a wall there. That will be the den. This will be the formal living room. All of this, which that wall right there is going to get closed off. And hoping to get a 1920s sink. The butler pantry will be right there, and of course this will all be kitchen with hopefully floor to ceiling shelves all through here, except for, you know, where the door is for the AC, because you'll need access to that. But maybe do something really pretty to hide this, but it makes a nice coat rack for the time being, which is hideous. So anyways, I really hope that you all will enjoy this journey with us. I do not see this being a one summer deal because, well, I don't have the money for it. I think everybody right now does not have the money for that kind of stuff right now, so I just wanted to give you a little show of what we're going to be doing this summer. We keep trying to put out weekly videos. I got the next one already set to go, more with the deep pinking. I'm going to post this one hopefully tonight. I really hope to get this one put out tonight, because I did notice I had some new subscribers, a whole bunch at one time. So that gives you also a show of what we're going to be doing with the place, which hopefully is going to be, there will be no mistaking when you walk into this house that it is 1920s, because we want to furnish the entire house 1920s. We're even looking at a very modern, like new, but like refrigerators and stoves and stuff like that were fashioned to make them look like they were made in the 1920s, but they're, of course, they're energy savers and all that hoopla. So anyways, I really hope you will enjoy the videos that will be coming out. Please leave comments, suggestions. If you see I'm doing something really wrong, like I said, I am not a professional. I'll probably be doing these whole segments of not pro tips. So I'd like to welcome you to our journey, and I really hope that you all enjoy. And as I will say at the end of every video, take care of yourselves and take care of each other. And I hope you all have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hit the notification bell. That way you see when we get new videos coming out. And when we get to 100 subscribers, my wife is going to dye my hair blue. Just for y'all. Just for fun. It'll be a fun video. So, I hope you all take care of yourselves. And I will say it again. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other, especially in these trying times when there's a lot of crazy stuff going on in this world. and I hope that you all have a blessed day. Bye.